Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening yet another box for YuGiOh Rage of the Abyss. So without further ado, let's open the box if it wants to be opened, as always, and see what we get. And after this one, I will have another one lying around, and then we shall see what we open next. But first, we shall see what we get out of this box. We get a Scourge of the White Forest, starting off with a boring super rare. Of course, boring not because super rares are boring, but that's something. A secret rare. An Abyss Shrine, the Atlantean Spirit. Not exactly what you want to pull out of the box. I will tell you when we pull something you want to see. But for now, let's continue with a Splitting Planarian. On to the next one we go. With a Metal Sower X. Moving along. We have a Legendary Lord 6 Samurai Inishi. And that's it here. Next pack, we get a Cursed Fire King Doom Burst. And that's it. On to the next one. As always, I started with the right side and we will use that up before we move along. To the other side we have YuGiOh Dragon. On to the next one with a Red Ice Black Full Metal Dragon. Cool art. And on to the next one we go. With a Centurion Primera Primus. Lovely foiling. And on to the next pack we go. Where we get a Fire King Corsair Ulcanix for the second secret rare of the set. That's actually a decent one to get. And the next one we get Goblin Bikers Gone Wild. That's that. Onto a Rescue Hedgehog. Isn't it cute? Yes. Yes it is. And that was everything from the right side. Now moving on to the now probably not as exciting left side. We have a Primate Roar. And already opening the next one, where we have another secret rare. 3 in a pack. That's one of the ones that you actually want to have. Deception of the Sinful Spoils. Lovely. Careful there. On to the next one, where we have a number C32, Shark Drake Levis, or however you want to pronounce it. And on to the next one, with a Fiendsmith's Agnamde. On to the next one, with a final bringer of the end times. And in the next one we get a Drake Shark. And that's it. Next pack, next pack. The crowd drawers. We have a Mermail Shadow Squad for second Ultra of the box, I think. Let's see what we get in the last few packs. An Asamina Ilia Sylvia. And in the next one we get a Mimikul Fairy. And we are down to 3 packs. Third to last pack. Something exciting. Just a Goblin Biker Grand Breakout. Second to last pack. We get a Here's Varrock, the Mechanical Dawn. And down to the last pack. Let's see what we get. What treasures this pack holds. One by one. And we get Flying Mary, the Wandering Ghost Ship, for our last ultra rare. Lovely. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I shall be seeing you at the next one.